Now I'll demonstrate subtracting negative integers using the takeaway method. Let's look at the problem, -7 minus -3. As I did before, I'll first align 7 negative squares horizontally. Then I'll take 3 negative squares away. This leaves us with the remaining difference in the answer of 4 negative squares. Let's try another problem, -8 minus -2. First, line up 8 negative squares horizontally. Take away 2 negative squares. This leaves us with the remaining difference of 6 negative squares, so -8 minus -2 is -6. Now it's your turn. When the problem appears, pause the video until you've solved the problem. Then press play and we'll check your answer together. If you do not wish to practice, fast forward to the next section of the video, 0 pairs. Ready? Here's your practice problem, -4 minus -2. Let's check your answer. First align 4 negative squares horizontally. Then take away 2 negative squares. This leaves us with the remaining difference of 2 negative squares, so -4 minus -2 equals -2. I'm now going to use Algebra Squares to model a 0 pair. When one positive yellow square and one negative red square are combined, like so, we call them a 0 pair because they are additive inverses of each other. When we put them together, they combine with each other to a sum of 0. Now I will demonstrate adding opposite values. For this example, I have +2 represented by 2 yellow squares and -2 represented by 2 red squares. When we combine them together, see that for every positive square there is a matching negative square. Because they represent opposite signs and are of equal number value, they combine to give us a value of 0. Let's try one more example. +5 plus -5. Here I'll place 5 positive squares horizontally. Underneath the 5 positive squares, I'll place 5 negative squares horizontally. Again, see how for every positive square, it is matched with a negative square. These positive and negative squares combine for a sum of 0. Now it's time to take things to the next level. I'll be demonstrating using 0 pairs to model adding integers with opposite signs. Let's try the problem, +5 plus -3. I'll first align +5 horizontally. Then underneath I'll align -3 horizontally. By doing so, I've created 3 0 pairs. Remember, 0 pairs create a sum of 0. So if I remove all of the 0 pairs to the side, I'm left with the remaining sum of +2. So, +5 plus -3 equals +2. Let me demonstrate another problem, -7 plus +4. First, I'll align -7 horizontally. Then, I'll align +4 underneath horizontally. Notice that I've created 4 0 pairs. Now I can simply remove these 0 pairs, and I have a remaining sum of -3. So, -7 plus +4 equals -3. Are you ready to try your own problem? When the problem appears, press pause until you've solved it. Then press play and we'll check your answer together. If you do not wish to practice, fast forward to the next section of the video, subtracting positive integers using the 0 pair method. Ready? Here's your practice problem. -9 plus +5.